From Boiarc, adjustable bath chair for inside shower and tub, anti-slip seat for elderly, disabled, kids of all ages, supports up to 350 pounds. The contents contain a self-adhesive top cushion support, anti-slip, a tray to hold your accessories with drain holes, 4 set of bars, adjustable with bottom feet, large and anti-slip, easy to assemble. Nylon slides into the pole by pressing the clip and snapping into place by pushing down. The nice large pole and rubber bottom, anti-slip bottom with rings, with an instruction guide to go over and how to follow. The ABS construction, heavy duty swivel top, blue and white. To assemble, simply slide in the nylon tip to the blue part, press in the gold pin to the first hole to start, and repeat for the other 3. Pressing in from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, adjusting. Grab a pole with the gold pin on the bottom, place into the bottom, press in the gold clip to the slotted hole, and firmly press down and lock into place, and repeat for the next 3. As you simply slip down, press the gold button, slips into place. Slide in on an angle, and then you're going to rotate one way so they lay on top over the open slotted areas, so you could gently press on each of the legs by spreading out just a little, and then firmly push down to lock into place and secure down. In the center, by pressing the gold pin and lifting the whole stool away, releases the swivel seat. We are able now to work on the cushion adhesive by peeling away the yellow paper adhesive cover off of the blue cushion seat. With no pressure, drop gently over and align and gently lay down in case of a mistake to peel off. With the stool on the floor, overhead, lay on the seat as another option. Peel away if making a mistake, carefully realign, and when set on, press firmly. As we bring the stools in, it is a stool for the bathtub, the bath shower, and able to rotate around. It sits inside a shower bay when taking showers for elderly and kids of all ages, and waterproof and easy to access and clean. This stool may be something that you are looking for. It holds up to 330 pounds. It is strong, made of aluminum and ABS plastic, in a blue, a white, and satin color. It's adjustable very easy by pressing in the buttons and twisting to the side and lowering it to the height. It is slip resistant, swivel, different levels of height. So if you're looking for a stool for the bathroom, handicap, elderly, seniors, adults, kids, and more, this may be something that you are looking for in a product of your bathroom needs. Thank you for viewing. Items are easily accessible on the bottom of the stool by placing on. If the swivel is not what you want, you simply just come to the bottom with the pin, press up, and now you have a stool that you don't have the swivel base on that looks like a standard stool. And when you want to put it on, you have drain holes here that the water would drain out. Just simply slide on, press down, and you're ready to sit again.